them in the open.
Put up ah. Check. Di pala.
Check.
Di pa.
Check only.
Ito na lang kaya karon.
Check only and wait.
Ako, maghanap lang ako ng matutuhog. Enjoy lang kayo.
Ase. Paano na ako ba? This month ka sa likod nila if ever.
Southwest ah.
Yeah. You care over the wall.
Doon sila, nandito sila sa ano.
This is club kite, holy shit.
Sa taas.
Club kite to ba? Hey, careful. Walk a bit more.
Oo. Masabi pa na-engage na.
Careful. Careful lang. Tongues on the front. Yo, fake mo Jock.
Faking.
Okay, nice fake. Good.
Defensive, ano sila?
Ayun, bro. Wala lang. They gonna look, defend.
Akin.
Walk in. I'm with them. Come to me. Okay. Yo, disrupt there na. Kung walking in. No, I come back now. They have CD. Come north. They have CD, come north.
Alam ko yun.
Hey, come north. They have CD. Don't die there. Come north.
Ingat sa akin.
Engage yun again. You can see.
Defensive sila.
They're looking. Defend. Fake. They're gonna engage and pull. Defend now. Push.
Engage na.
Heal my base. Walk in.
Ito.
Brawl shallow. Brawl skull. Keep on brawling. Brawl them.
Pull na sila.
They're gonna look soon. Careful. Get out of the choke. Don't walk in. They're gonna look. Help Jack the Reaper. Fuck. Hey, come in. Walk in.
Hello.
Walk in. Give me runes. Yo, don't go too deep, okay? It's okay. Ang ina, may ganun din sila. What the fuck?
Patay si Ase. Pakilag kay Ase.
Careful. Stay here. Wait. Careful. They're gonna look soon. Wait. Defend. Walk in now. I am CCing them. Walk in now. Keep on walking in. I am full CCing them. Bro, shallow. They have CD too. Come northwest. Come northwest. Yo, look at this SOB, Wala kill yan, boy. Right. Yo, stand them. They're gonna look. Okay, careful front. Wait. They're gonna look. Wait. You ready now? Again, careful. Wait. You'll be ready to Giga then later. Wait. Looking? Okay, walking. Giga. Walk. See them. Come on. Roll the shallow first.
You heal up.
Roll them. Okay, they see D. Support. Southwest. Ready, defend. Don't walk. Just wait. The brick. Okay, walk. You're on full CC them. Come. Walk in. You need to walk in. If you don't walk in, we're not gonna kill anyone. You need to walk in. Yo, CC this. You're gonna look careful now. Come back, sir. It's okay. They just need to pop up one. Again. Okay. You're careful front. Come north. Engage. Come north. You're too front, okay? Don't too front. Yo, come. In them. I see them. Come on. Yeah, they're gonna look soon, okay? Careful now. Come back a bit. Come back northwest. Hold now. Let them engage. Defend now. Walk in. You're getting farmed, guys. You need to walk in. You give me runes. Come. You just brawl shallow. Brawl Vanessa. Don't poke to Vanessa, bro. Come on. It's okay. Stop. Come back now. They're gonna look again. Just wait. Come north. They're looking. Defend. Help the break, help the break, help the break, help the break. Nice, okay. Yo, punish Vanes. Vanes doesn't have blink. Punish the Vanes. Punish. Kill. Kill him. Kill him.
Eto. Mamamatay na
Careful now.
tong...
They have CD. Careful.
Mamamatay na yung Blaze sa ano.
Come north. They have CD. Careful. They're gonna look. Wait now. Wait, cleanse that, defend. Walk in. Look, I'm CCing them so fucking hard, man. Come on, CC them. Keep on brawling. Drop east. Keep on walking.
Ang kinatulak pa ako.
Tangina na po. Okay, come north now. They have CD. They will have CD. Come north. It's okay. Come north.
Ang na-silence nila.
You need to be patient. Come north east. We don't have any more DA, bro. We lost so much. Come north. It's okay. Come north. Last tayo exalted para sige. Yo, help front. Walk in. Walk in now. Yan, keep on walking in. I'm holding them.
Daming defensive.
Yo, brawl shallow only. Don't go too deep. Okay, wait now. Dev CD. Fake. They're gonna look soon. Careful, RSA. Careful. They're looking at shallow. Defend. Walk in. I'm CCing them all. Come on. Walk in. You need to fucking walk in. You is Giga. You need use them. Use anything you have. You need to walk in. Oh, wait. Hold now. You just put on the shallow. Tangina, di naman come back. Fake. It's gonna be a full engage. Okay, come north us. Defend. Push in.
Okay, no?
They fail. Push. Keep on pushing in. I need heals. Yo, brawl the west side. They heal me. Brawl the west side and heal me. They're gonna engage you, okay? They have CD by now. They clump now. They looking fake. Wait. They're gonna look. Wait now. They're gonna look, careful. They're looking at me. Wait. They're looking now.
Baka annoying naman.
Okay, wait now. You need to heal me, okay? I don't have any more defensives. Careful. They can defend. Push now.
Oh,
Fuck, I got
yeah.
punked. Look, come out this. Push now. Brawl this west side. You need to brawl the shallow. If you're not gonna brawl the shallow, we're not gonna get the kill. Come north us first. Don't push. Come west. I said come west. Careful now. Spread. Look in, careful. If you see a man, we're gonna engage, Elizabeth, careful. Looking yan. Careful now. Come north. Careful north side, They can engage. Defend. Wait. Defend. Push now. Come on. They fuck up. Come on. Come south. You need to push this. Now. Keep pushing. Push them all. Come on. They're getting punished. Come on. Okay, come back now. They have city. Defend. Oh shit, come north. It's okay. Come north. Come north. North. You need to regroup with me north. Yo, okay. Come north. Keep on talking north. Yo, they're getting greedy. Come south. They're gonna look. Is wrap around them. Defend. Wait. Okay. Wrap around them. Walk in. You heal me. Walk in. You need to walk in and heal me. I'm gonna die. Hello. You need to walk in and heal me and brawl. It's okay. Brawl. You need to kill one. I cannot rest. It's okay. Come north us. Tangina.